Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have Tesla car. So this video is might be interesting for you. Tesla application introducing biggest update ever I seen first time, and this video is very important for you. Which features they are introducing in Tesla application and what is the advantage, how to use, we will discuss entire information in this video. Now we will start the demonstration. My iPhone screen is here and I just simply open here the Tesla application. Inside the Tesla application, everyone knows about the Tesla application, how to use, what is new, we will already discuss in my previous video. Today we target so many features they are introducing under the service section. If you click the service section, so look at this here, first option is showing here, describe question and concern. They are merged here in the Tesla application Grok, and you can just simply ask any types of question. They can provide you runtime answer very easily, like how to do unplug or plug. I just simply ask this question, searching the article, assist, check your plugging supercharges, balance, and all the information is coming here. If you see here, view charge balance, look at this here, previous related information are showing here. They are introducing here Grok, and apart from that, if you are facing any different problem, so you should ask here very easily, typing some of the message, and they are providing you the answer same as it is in a Grok or chat GPT. Related information you can receive here, and this information is 100% authenticate. If you follow this process, so definitely your problem is fixed and solved. That one is a really impressive. They are introducing here Tesla Assistant. You can ask any types of question and you can very easily receive the answer and enjoy. So this is the Tesla Assistant. Next one here, previously they are not providing such kind of features in the service under the service option. So accordingly you should come to the here and check one by one hitting AC is working. If you are facing problem related on, you should just simply describe your question, attach the image, or just simply send it to them. They are providing you impressive answer and fulfill your problem here. Describe, so each and every function they are providing, you should explain them. They are helping you all the options like interior seat and some other features as well. So here the glasses related options is also available. They are providing each and every points, and you, if you are facing some problem, you should ask them and they can help you very easily. Battery charge, self-driving, more, so many features they are introducing under the service tab. If you have Tesla car, definitely you should visit on the service tab and explore each and every features using this biggest update comes in Tesla application. So this is the simple information how you access service tab properly. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.